Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial on how to draw a block letter Y, stylish lettering. We draw our two straight horizontal lines. Mark out some lines to guide the drawing. Make the necessary curves come out to life for the letter Y. Watch how I use my ruler to draw straight lines where needed. Make sure you perfect your curves in every curved corners. For being a block letter, maintain parallel lines. Looking at the tail of the letter Y, you will observe how I make little dot sketches before drawing the curves. This is to enable me get a perfect letter Y. Let's do the shading. Let's add a color. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you do like the video, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a nice day.